Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Moringa Flowers Kadhi Pakoda. For that I have kept aside the Vada batter. I am using the same batter for making the Moringa balls. Few I have kept for steaming and a few I have kept for deep frying. I am frying the balls for Kadhi Pakoda. I'll give the detailed ingredients in the description box for this. The Moringa flower balls are also ready. I'm taking it out. After cooking the steamed ones, we'll prepare the kadhi. The steam cooked Moringa flowers balls are ready. The fried ones are also ready. Now for the making kadhi, I have taken 3/4 cup of dahi, 1 tablespoon of besan. I have mixed with this along with a little bit of turmeric powder, salt, and kept ready. I have kept for tempering the kadhi. We'll add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves and red chilli, little bit of hing powder. We'll add this into the kadhi. I forgot to add the ginger garlic paste, so I've added little oil and sauteing this in this. For the spiciness, you can add green chilli paste or black pepper powder. I'm adding few moringa flowers in it, and in this I have also added 1 tablespoon of cooked dal, salt, and half teaspoon of sugar in it. This we will bring to boil. Keep on stirring because I have added besan also in this. Continuously stir it till it comes to a boil. This has started boil now. I will put the fried and steamed balls in it. The Moringa flower balls kadhi is ready here. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. The detailed ingredients I will give it in the description box. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. This can be served along with rice. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.